Hey, Top Notch fam, it's your girl Sasha here. And y'all know I told you I was going to come back with those tips and tricks for y'all. I'm going to give you 5 tips on different options for you to use for your blood glucose test. Glucose test. I don't know why I keep stumbling over that word. So, week 28 is coming up. So you know what that means. It's the blood glucose test. And I am one who is not really into the whole, I don't even know what that thing is. Like they give you to take when you take your blood glucose test. Just a little disclaimer. I am not a doctor, but you can discuss this with your doctor. First tip, you can use maple syrup. Believe it or not, all they need is 100 grams of sugar, pretty much. Whatever it is that you take, you just need 100 grams of sugar. So one thing that I've used is, and I'm telling you, I've used it, my doctor allowed me to use it in everything, is maple syrup. It's natural, it's good. You just take a shot of maple syrup and then you're good to go. Or if you don't want to use maple syrup, you can use orange juice. Orange juice is another thing. But like I said, you just have to make sure it's the right grams and talk to your doctor if you don't believe me. Another thing is jelly beans. Don't sleep on the jelly beans. And who doesn't like candy every once in a while? I know y'all be having them cravings sometimes. So jelly beans is definitely another thing that you can use. And also, there's this thing out called the Fresh Test. And it's also FDA approved. So if you don't know about it, look into that. Your doctor, you can talk to your doctor about it and see if your doctor is okay with that. I'm pretty sure some doctors are going to be like, oh no, you should try our thing. But at least you know what's in this one. So the Fresh Test is definitely something that you should look into. And for all of you mommies who I know, and yes, I'm talking to you, I know you were sneaking that soda last night. But you can use soda as well because we all know that soda, caffeine free, please, ladies, caffeine free. You all know that soda is full of sugars and it will spike up your blood levels to where you can actually get the test done. So those are my 5 tips that you can use. Oh, I got a bonus one. For my vegan mommies out there, you can also use, I'm out of breath, give me a second. You can use vegan cookies, vegan gummies. My doctor was like, thank you, girl, for putting me on. I didn't even know that we had all these options out here and they're vegan. So don't feel bad. Even if you're like, okay, I don't know. And there's vegan options too. You can go in there with a vegan snack and I'm pretty sure your doctor will not have a problem with it. Just make sure that it's the right amount of milligrams so that your doctor will be okay with it. Okay, sis? Love ya. More tips and tricks. Stay tuned.